Hi, I'm Annie.
And I'm Kathy.
And we take freeze-dried to fresh. We're going to be doing a meal in a jar, in a single serve, and we're going to add all of these ingredients, and we're making a stew. But we're going to start with the sauces, put that at the base, and then add all the other ingredients in layers so it looks really pretty. And then we will actually hydrate that for you and show you how simple it is to make a stew in just a few minutes.
This is a beef stew, and you can make this in any size jar you want. I have them with large jars just sitting in my pantry. Then all you have to do is add hot water, which we'll show you. Now, with this beef stew, we do have a beef gravy, but I like to thin it out and make it a little bit lighter. So I add some of our white bechamel sauce along with the gravy. So that's what we're going to start with. So we will do a little of that and a little of that.
And it makes it more creamy too, this stew, so it's really nice.
And that's our base right there. Then I'll do some of the beef.
Now these chunks can be a little bit large, so you can actually break them down before you put them in.
I'm not going to this time though, just so you know.
If you want it, and then they'll refresh quicker.
Okay. Do you want to do some veggies?
Yeah, I'm gonna actually add the onions next.
It will be very oniony.
It's
I love the
perfectly
onions.
fine.
I think it's delicious. Now the carrots are dehydrated, but they will refresh just as fast as everything else. I'll have the potatoes next. These are our freeze-dried dices. We do have dehydrated as well, which we will do in a separate video. Hold on, a little more.
And then the celery at the top.
Nice. And a little bit of our Chef's Choice seasoning blend. And remember to give yourself a little bit of room on the top because it will refresh and swell just a little. So you can do this, keep it in your pantry until you're ready to use it. Take it for a quick hot lunch. You just need to add hot water.
And don't forget to mark it so that you know exactly, especially if you've done quite a few, you might want a tomato and all different kinds of different mixes. Make sure that you label them so you know what you've got in the jar. So just comment below if you have any ideas on what we can do next, but also don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you haven't already.
And give us a thumbs up and give this recipe a try.
We're just going to go get the hot water now, and then we're going to be refreshing it.
Okay, now just because I have all of the sauce on the bottom, we're just going to give it a little shake so that it doesn't just make a little puddle on the bottom, and then we will refresh. So we add hot water from a kettle, and then we just put the lid on, and you can stir. Let a little steam out so it doesn't explode. And then that's all you do. You just let that sit for about 5 minutes or so as everything gets refreshed, and then we're putting it in a bowl.
We're gonna put it in a bowl so we can eat in it.
Or you can eat right out of here.
Yeah, you can.
We can do that.
So remember, you can do this too.